Hi guys, this is Alex from BlackboxMyCar. We've been getting a lot of questions recently regarding the Power Magic Pro by BlackVue. But before going into the installation process, it's important to note what the benefits to a hardwire installation are and why it's ideal to use the Power Magic Pro. When you hardwire your dashcam, as opposed to using the basic 12-volt power cable and the cigarette lighter in your vehicle, you're provided the use of parking mode. When parking mode is enabled, it allows for your dashcam to be able to record and act as a silent witness when your vehicle is unattended. So why the Power Magic Pro? Without the Power Magic Pro, you are going to drain your battery. Dashcams are going to continuously run until your battery has no more power. But the Power Magic Pro cuts off the power if it senses that the battery is going below a certain range. You can configure the voltage cutoff at many different levels. We will discuss that later after the installation process. What you will need: circuit tester, trim tool, crimp tool, fuse puller, socket wrench, and a Power Magic Pro hardwiring kit. Locate a secure grounding point. Place the grounding cable behind the loosened bolt and tighten it. Take your circuit tester and start going through fuses and see which one is running and which ones aren't. Refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for guidance. It is also important to make sure you're not using any fuses connected to anything crucial such as airbags. Once you have selected your fuses, pull them out of the fuse box. Then place them into the Adafuse fuse slots. Thread the Power Magic Pro wires, in this case ACC and BATT tag wires, through the Adafuse cable and crimp them together. Give a slight tug to make sure the connection is secure. Plug your fuses back into the fuse box and start trucking the wires away through the trim of your vehicle. This will ensure a clean, finalized look to the installation process. We recommend using the trim tool to help with this process. Now that your installation is complete, let's discuss adjusting your voltage cutoff. Your dashcam has the ability to run constantly when hardwired to your vehicle, but the function of the Power Magic Pro is to set its limits. Whenever your dashcam reaches the voltage that you configure, it will shut off automatically, thus saving your vehicle's battery. Refer to a user manual or a sticker that's attached to your Power Magic Pro for a reference. We always recommend our customers setting at highest voltage cutoff if you're living in a colder climate, and set for about 24 hours cutoff. With the latest Power Magic Pro as of 2019, there are two different voltage cutoff settings for regular vehicles and two for trucks. For regular cars, there is an adaptive mode at 12V cutoff or 12.5V cutoff. We always recommend setting the voltage cutoff at 12.5. This can be done simply by setting switches away from number 1 and number 2 signs. If you wish to set it for adaptive mode, you can simply set it for switch number 1 to be away from the number sign, and for number 2, it would be to the number sign. For trucks with the bigger battery, we still recommend setting it at the highest voltage cutoff, which is 23.2V, which can be done simply by putting the switch number 1 towards the number sign and number 2 away from the number sign. As for the timer setting, there are 8 different settings at this time. We highly recommend 24-hour or 48-hour cutoff. That can be done for 24-hour cutoff using 3, 4, 5 for switches number 3 and 5 away from the number sign, number 4 towards the number sign. For 48-hour cutoff, we're using again 3, 4, 5 switches. 4 and 5 switches will be away from the number, and for number 3 towards the number sign. If you're looking to cover your vehicle with extended parking mode coverage, consider adding a battery pack called Celink Neo or a BlackVue B124X. Typically, Power Magic Pro will last anywhere between 4 to 8 hours depending on your battery condition of your vehicle in a busy street, versus with the battery pack you would be looking at 15 hours for a dual channel system and 25 hours for a single channel system. As always, thank you for watching and making BlackboxMyCar the #1 dashcam retailer across North America. If you have any questions you would like to see answered in a video, please contact us at info@blackboxmycar.com or just simply leave us a comment here in this video and we will try to make into a video. Everything mentioned in this video, including battery packs to essential installation kit, can be found in the description below.